Assalamu alaikum students. Here we have brightly colored insect pollinated flower with its male and female reproductive parts, and you know that flower is for the reproduction of the plant. Here I'm showing you this part is the male reproductive part. At the tip there is yellow part called the anther, and this elongated stalk which is called the filament. The anther and the filament together, they make the male reproductive part which is called stamen, and this one is the female reproductive part. At the tip there is compact stigma, and this elongated part, this is called the style. And the anther, when it matures, it releases a number of pollen grains, and you can see the tip of this pencil, it got yellow because of the pollen grains. Pollen grain is the male reproductive cell. It contains the haploid number of chromosome in its nucleus. Here we have another flower, and this one is the stigma, and this is the style, and these are the stamens. There are altogether 6 stamens in this flower. This is anther, and this is the filament together. Anther and the filament together, they are called the stamens. Students, here I have separated the male and female reproductive organs from an old flower. Here we have the male reproductive part called the stamen. It has 2 parts, anther and the filament. As you know that anther produces the pollen grain. Pollen grain is the male gamete. It is the haploid cell, that is, it has the half the number of chromosomes in its nucleus. Here we have the female reproductive part. This is also called pistil or carpel. It has the 3 parts, the stigma at the tip, and there is elongated part called the style, and at the base there is a swollen part called the ovary. Ovary contains the ovule, and ovule has the female gamete called the egg cell. Egg cell is also the haploid cell because it has half the number of chromosomes in its nucleus.